Welcome to this month's General Engineering Pro News Roundup. My name's Matt, and here are the top stories. A framework contract to support the UK government's energy transition has been awarded to the engineering and project service company Kent. It will enable the company to support the government in shaping and implementing policies, programmes and projects to accelerate the UK's transition to net zero. The framework, ENZPS, is valued at up to £250 million and will run for an initial 2-year term. Dr. Ki-Kun Tang and a team of Fudan University Shanghai Medical College researchers have shown that anti-malarial drug compounds can improve various symptoms of polycystic ovarian syndrome. It affects roughly 10 to 13% of reproductive age women and can cause symptoms such as irregular periods, ovarian cysts, obesity, excessive hair growth, insulin resistance and infertility, among others. The drug has shown the ability to restore the hormonal imbalance, with the team saying this is the first treatment that can deal with almost all of the complicated symptoms. ExxonMobil and Woodside have approved a $350 million Australian investment to launch new offshore gas drilling projects in the Bass Strait between Australia and Tasmania. Exxon will front the processing at its Longford plant in Victoria. Initially set for closure in 2033, its operational life has been extended for this project. An Exxon spokesperson said, "The gas this project delivers will help strengthen Australia's energy security, powering Australian homes and businesses well into the next decade, and ensuring the grid remains resilient and stable as we transition to a lower carbon future." A Kellogg's factory in Manchester has run a successful 3-week demonstration using hydrogen fuel to toast cereals. The demonstration, funded by a £3 million grant from the UK government, tested whether the factory could switch out natural gas for clean-burning hydrogen in its toasting oven. The cereals tested were Bran Flakes, Corn Flakes, Rice Krispies and Special K. Kellogg says it is the first company in the UK to produce cereal this way. Baker Hughes has signed a multi-year integrated completion systems contract with Petrobras across multiple deepwater fields in Brazil. The contract will see Petrobras utilising technologies developed by Baker Hughes to specifically meet the needs of the offshore fields, such as multi-zone control, limiting water and gas breakthroughs, and reducing the risk of costly interventions. Delivery is expected to begin in late 2025. And finally, according to a report by the International Energy Agency released this month, the world added approximately 700 gigawatts of renewable power in 2024. China was the top country driving renewable energy additions, adding over 340 gigawatts of solar PV and 80 gigawatts of wind. The report also found that electricity consumption worldwide increased by 4.3%, driven by the electrification of transport, rising industrial use, higher demand for cooling amid record global temperatures, and the expansion of data centers and artificial intelligence. That's all we've got time for today. Don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn at NES Fircroft for your daily dose of engineering news, career advice and job vacancies. See you next time for our Engineering News Roundup.